Managing Committee jong ka school Tham Memorial Secondary School Stun rangkat ka kasi Student Union hakala bi hoitri naila aja besau ka bu manung rim ban penkiu sasimala ya ka school lembaga CSR project belai da ka diaiko ya kan school apli khat patrik no pra ajal pho halo Stun block 6 bat kadon ya class 8 hadu 10 ya kan school sengker pang da ka kasi Student Union la ban circle nam tagi khna sindang berkentai ibawan na gilong yeng baduna berkiba no ya ka jing puli jong ki sitang po na ki daw bo per kan ka school ka ajing puli ai ya ki khna Khlem Shim pisa bat idan sau phongor ai ki khna hadu mata Kamajing Committee bat ka kasi Student Union ka doni thumu ban penmi sa simala ya kan ka school khna wakan yo ban kentiu Kyrdan sia ka higher secondary school ban ajing puli khamba nam ta ki khna class 11 bat 12 hakan ka singi adon rangkat ka Sumitra Pandhi ka Cluster Head ka North East Daiku Usurajit Data Public Policy Head ka Daiku kinokit kam ka Managing Committee jong ka school bayalam khmat do ba Daniel Khairem uchaman ka Managing Committee ba LP Sani Secretary Managing Committee bat kiwe
KSU Laban Circle, which is a pioneering organization from the KSU to start and initiate the building of the school.
School would not have been possible without the vision of one man in particular, that is Ba Manli Nong Plu. We started this initiative in the year 2018. At that point of time, Ba Manli Nong Plu was the president of the KSU Laban Circle. I was the secretary of the KSU Laban Circle. Ba Manli came up with a proposal that as a union, we need to look upon the education sector. The education is not only for the have, but education should be for all. That is what.
First of all, before joining this session, the launch, and I was having some notion in my mind, right? And many a time we do lot of CR, events, or we support a lot of organization. But after hearing all of you, it seems like I'm completely emotional right now. A lot of when we talk about education, it gives you a lot of sense of responsibility in the society, right? And associating with education is always an privilege to any of the organization. Right? Because what we say is, the start and the end of the society is education. When you are educating your child, you are developing your entire society. So, focusing on education is the prime responsibility of each and every individual.